In the Terra Luna Classic video this morning, I alluded to the unity that is taking place in the Terra Luna Classic community. Unity within the community. Man, I like the way that sounds. So I alluded to the unity in the Terra Luna Classic community this morning in terms of governance proposals. So we're going to be going over some of those proposals in this video because I believe not only, one, is it important to understand what is actually happening, but we need to highlight the fact that we aren't seeing, 50-50 splits. We aren't seeing things barely passing at the moment. We're seeing changes take place, but we're seeing it take place with near unanimous decisions. So that's what we're going to be going over in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, guys, I want to say thank you. Thank you to everybody going on to Amazon, grabbing your brand new favorite hoodie. I'm loving the reviews that are coming in, and I said we're doing giveaways, so we are doing giveaways. Now I gotta open this phone here. If you guys bought this shirt right here, and your name is Richard right here, you are the winner today. Richard M, man, thank you very much for the beautiful 5-star review. It says bro hoodie. They are so nice, and bro stands for us, a crypto family. Clay, keep rocking on, brother. Absolutely, Richard, and thank you very much, not only for the kind words, the kind review, but thank you very much for the support in grabbing that bro shirt right there. You're going to have a bro hoodie on the way, hopefully by the end of the week. Now, if you're in the live stream, let me know. If you're in the Discord, let me know. If you are in the, well, if you got email, man, email me. I need to know where I can send it, and hopefully you get that here pretty soon, and just reach out to me, man. Appreciate the support, absolutely. Now, in this morning's video, we talked about some of the reasons that Terra Luna Classic is moving higher, and it has to deal with like a liquidity pool injection. You've got some Binance burns, all of this stuff taking place, which is incredible, but I want to highlight the unity in Terra Luna Classic's community in this video. So there are several proposals that are out there right now, and this is the least of which has a unanimous decision, but it is still passing at this moment. Now, it was submitted on November 29th, and it is slated to end on December 6th. And this is the proposal 11888 to decrease the validator set of Terra Luna Classic to 100 from 135. So basically getting rid of a lot of these smaller validators and consolidating some of the delegated Terra Luna Classic. 31.65% yes votes. Doesn't seem as though it's going to pass, but only 23% no votes, 0.27% no with veto, and a massive 44.82% voting to abstain. So because so many people voted to abstain, we have reached quorum. We have a total of 662 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. And because yes votes exceed the no votes, we are seeing this proposal currently pass. So I don't know the total details of this. We might need to break it down a little bit further as to whether or not your validator is going to be around. If you guys are with the smaller validators, if you're going to need to move your Terra Luna Classic and redelegate to a different validator. I don't know all of the details at this point in time, but by December 6th, we can absolutely go over those and see what you need to do. The next proposal, man, you guys remember the Terrad v2.3.1? Well, the upgrade to v2.3.2, the sequence mismatch issue, it's slated to end on December 6th. We have 99 99.99% yes votes. Think about that, man. That's basically 100%. You got a couple people coming in and voting no, a couple people coming in and voting no with veto, and a couple people coming in and voting to abstain. But it's 0.01% no votes when you look at the totals there. Near unanimous decision making on this upgrade. Total of 62 validators voting yes. Couple randoms. There's no validators that voted no. No validators that voted no with veto. And no validators that voted to abstain. Those would be individual Terra Luna Classics or individuals in the Terra Luna Classic community going in and casting their vote against their validators who voted yes there. Absolutely incredible, or of course if their validators didn't vote. Absolutely incredible to see that type of unanimous decision making to continue to upgrade the Terra Luna Classic blockchain and take LUNC to the next level. The next one, pay per job and governance rule job list. This is the one that we have been discussing for quite some time. You guys know I've been a skeptic of paying out $150,000 per quarter, or in the case of the USTC repeg team, $40,000, and the job didn't get done. This will assure that the job gets done. It's the pay per job and governance rule job list, and it's text proposal 11889. Currently sitting at 91.67% yes votes, 0.07% no, 0% no with veto, and 8.26% of the votes voting to abstain. This proposal will end on December 7th, and it is currently passing. It is well beyond quorum, with 570 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. Now, finally, well, we do have a scam or a spam proposal out there that, it has I think it's got 100% no's. No, it's got 99.94% no with veto, and then 0.05% no's. So, that spam proposal is not going to be passing. We're not going to pay any attention to it. But this is another interesting one. Proposal Project Echo morphing USTC into a gas token. At the current time, this proposal is not passing. I don't know if it's because people don't necessarily understand it or what the deal is, but if these guys want to write some software and use USTC for inter-blockchain communication, I don't think that they necessarily need the approval of the Terra Luna Classic community to do so. I believe this proposal is kind of just gauging the sentiment and in sort of like support of the Terra Luna Classic community for them to further on. This is not a spend proposal. This is nothing to do with changing the blockchain or changing the code for Terra Luna Classic or anything like that. It's simply to use USTC as a gas token for their project here. And it currently has 13.97% yes votes, 21.64% no, 0.45% no with veto, and nearly 64% voting to abstain. It has not met quorum yet, but it does have until December 9th for this proposal to end. So as you guys can see, it's been a long time since Terra Luna Classic's price action has been this exciting. It's been a long time since the Terra Luna Classic community has been this united, and I do believe that this combination of things can absolutely send Terra Luna Classic soaring even higher throughout the coming weeks and months. So I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. And make sure, you guys are still here, so make sure to check out that link for Amazon. Anything you guys purchase, doesn't have to be bro merch. Literally, your everyday Amazon purchases will go to burning Terra Luna Classic, as long as, of course, you open Amazon through that link right there, and then go about your business as normal. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.